Welcome. In this quick guide, I'll show how to allow everyone to see what others post on your Facebook page using the latest update on PC. If you've noticed that posts from others aren't visible to a wider audience, don't worry. This setting is easy to adjust once you know where to look. Let's go step by step so you can get it done in just a few minutes. First, open the Facebook app on your PC and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home screen, look to the top right corner and click on your profile photo. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From that menu, find and click on Settings and Privacy. When it expands, click on Settings to enter your main account settings page. This is where Facebook keeps all the controls for your profile and page visibility. Now, inside the settings, scroll until you find the section labeled Page and Tagging. Click on it to open more detailed options related to who can interact with your page and what others can see. Next, look for the option that says, Who can see what others post on your page? This is the key setting you need to change. Click on it, and you'll see different audience options. Select everyone from the list. This ensures that any posts made by others on your page are visible to all users, not just a limited group. Finally, don't forget to click Save to apply the changes. Once saved, your settings will update immediately, and everyone will be able to see posts from others on your page. That's it. A simple change, but it can make a big difference in how people interact with your content.